Pretty much your home screen of the VPN application. Very easy to use. All you have to do is tap on the connection button here. We'll ask for connection request. You don't have any server or anything like that. But once you're connected, you're pretty much good to go. And as I said before, it's very fast actually. And although you don't get any server to choose from or anything like that, it's quite fast. And you don't have any subscription, you don't have anything like that, you don't have any timer, you don't have any ads. All you have is pretty much the connection button here, and as you can see, you're turned off. You don't need to watch any ads with this VPN application here. So it's very fast, as I said before. And if anything, you want to comment below. If you have any problems with it, you can always comment below and let me know. And as well, do make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.